Tapos na ang panahon ng taglamig at tag-ulan. Namumukadkad na ang mga bulaklak sa parang. Panahon na ng pag-aawitan at maririnig na rin ang huni ng mga kalapati sa kabuyan.
Arvi, I have come to find this saying to be undeniably true. The heart of man plans his way, but the Lord establishes his steps. There is truly no diverging from the path of God. As I look back at my life before, I have seen that God, I know, He has always been in control, faithful even. And for that, I have been very grateful. But there were times, still moments in the past, when I look back at some things as regrets. Things I still wish I didn't do, or things I wish I did. However, today, as I look at you, I find peace.
Feels surreal how our paths have converged in His beautiful timing. How every broken roads within our lives being redeemed by grace paved way to this sacred bond of unity. I marvel at the beauty of His grace as I look back. How two imperfect, forgiven people have brought together by a perfect loving God. Ikaw at ako, sa presensya ng Panginoon ngayong hapon ito, mahiwaga. Chad, sa loob ng walang taong nakilala natin ang isa't isa, nagpapasalamat ako sa iyong lubusang pagtanggap at pagmamahal ng walang hinihintay na kapalit. You have pursued me in holiness and purity through the course of our relationship. You have affirmed me with words that have built me up. You have been patient, very, very patient, to endure with me during tough times. I would ask God, what have I done to receive love in this purest way? And His answer is because this is an ultimate reflection of the beauty of His grace. Because you have honored, obeyed, and put Him first, I am eternally grateful.
Hindi ako tatakas pag naghanda ka ng gulay. Matututo akong kumain ng gulay. I will lead you, guide you, protect you, and provide for you. I will live with you in an understanding way. Kahit na may mga pagkakataong hindi ko maintindihan, being thoughtful of all your needs, I will honor you as a fellow of God's people.
When it gets too for always being there ever since.
Anak kita.
Love you.
Always keep God at the center of your relationship.
Gawin mo palagi siyang titiwala kay Lord. Kung anong direction niya yung susundin pala.
Thank you na kayo nag-set din ng example naman, lalo na ni Mama, paano sila maging parents or paano din talaga maging couple.
Now being one, looking at the race marked before us, I vow to love you now, forever, and always. I love you, Arv.
If your heart wears thin, I will hold you up, and I will hide you. When it gets too much, I'll be right beside you. Nobody will break it.
God, my joy is to be fully present with you in every step of the way, as we honor God and make disciples together by the wisdom and the guidance of the Holy Spirit, wherever God may lead you to the ends of the earth. And I will always choose to love you in the betterment of our marriage. With all that I am, I give to you. From the deepest of my heart, I will love you and stay with you until Jesus Christ returns in all His glory.